Hi. Before I talk about presenting, I'd like you to think about the hand that you write with and imagine writing with the other hand and how bad the writing is when you try and write with the other hand, unless you're able to write with both hands, but most people can't do both. And it's going to look pretty bad, isn't it? But you wouldn't say you can't write. You just say, well, I don't normally write with that hand. And I absolutely believe that's the reason people can't present or don't know how or are afraid of it. It's nothing to do with a characteristic that you lack or something that other people are born with. It's because people who speak have had practice at doing something you don't normally do, and that is to speak to an audience without them engaging with you on a sort of conversational basis. That's what we do all our lives. We have a conversation and people interrupt or join in, or they agree or disagree. They show facial recognition that you're talking, but an audience doesn't do that for all sorts of reasons. It doesn't mean they don't like you. It doesn't mean they don't feel interested or that it's valuable, but it's very unnerving, not because you haven't got the confidence, it's because you haven't done it very much, like the left hand and the right hand. So in my workshops, I invite people to come and try presenting, giving them a chance to do these things that are like writing with your left hand instead of your right. But the difference between writing is that in speaking to groups, that is a really important skill. That's going to help you with your career. It's going to help you win business. It'll be pitching for new opportunities. It really is important. And it's not something you can hide from in the end. And it's worth understanding it, reframing what's really happening, learning to breathe, structure your message, and think about the audience and what they need, instead of wondering about what people might be thinking about us, which is really not as much as you like to think. So I hope these workshops, there's one in Glasgow on the 26th of August, there's one in Liverpool on the 30th of August from 10 until 4:30. You're more than welcome. We have fun, it's interactive, and you get a chance to see that this is something you can do, and I'd be glad to help.